Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am playing on Gaming Fever 23's account, but I am Gaming Fever 01.
And if you
Subscribe
look
and like.
behind, I am Steve, also known as Gaming Fever 23, the original. And
Since when were you known as Steve?
since Minecraft's default name is Steve. Okay, let's start off.
Okay, yeah.
Run, go. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I'm gonna run. Okay, now we need to hurry up and get another portal. That's like the first thing you need to do. So that we don't need, we have a diamond pickaxe. We just need some,
Oh yeah, wait, why am I punching trees then?
you are gonna need some wood, to be honest, but sure. Oh, this is so much better. Yesterday we did the Minecraft Roblox challenge. It was trash, so the crafting was messed up in that. Anyways, we're gonna need more wood. And the tested yard is currently digging straight down. I don't know why is he doing that, but sure.
Wait, can you turn C coordinates on? I want to know what Y I'm at.
Nope. Mama making a wooden pickaxe. I want to make an axe. Okay, yeah. I forgot about one thing. This is on hard difficulty. What about food source? Good luck finding food.
Oh, okay, great. Just one Okay.
That's why I assumed. Okay, I'm not gonna stay around here for a while.
This place sucks.
Okay, I'm hungry. What should I do? Let's get some stone for starters and some coal. Ooh, that's so fast.
Okay, what is this? And
Okay, fine. I'll turn coordinates on if you pause. You don't touch your mouse or anything.
okay, I'm paused.
And also change the game mode to peaceful for a moment.
Yeah, I really like that peaceful idea.
Yeah, this is gonna be like that. Okay, don't do anything yet. Don't mess with the settings. I'm gonna turn.
Oh, it's already peaceful. Okay.
I just turned it to peaceful. What was it? What that was gonna do? Yeah, show coordinates.
Please keep peaceful on. Okay, wow. So this is a thing. New discovery. I don't have a hot bar.
What button did you press?
F1.
And press F1 again.
I know.
Wait, I didn't know that you could do that.
That'd be good for thumbnails, I guess.
Okay, what am I doing? We need to head to a cave. Should I turn on keep inventory?
Yeah, I mean, I guess we would be attempting to do this without death. Okay, but just keep it peaceful. Because I'm scarred for life right now.
Just by one creeper explosion.
When you have creepers but no armor, I'm surprised how you can't be scarred for life.
Oh yeah, don't. I'm gonna change the game rule. Stop. It's a pause.
Just bear with me, people.
Okay. Yeah. Now you can start off again. Bro, this is so nice for a pickaxe. It's faster than creative on netherrack. Like that's how you can tell that when you have a pickaxe you need to have a netherite efficiency 5 in fact. Those are better. Okay, I don't want to land into something like, I don't know.
A trap set up by me.
Or lava.
Or a trap set up by me. Okay, guys.
Okay.
I might have made a mistake by not grabbing all the iron I could find while I was down in the cave.
Where are you?
In broad daylight. Or
How?
whatever it's called. By mining street.
Iron. Oops, I broke the torch. Okay, that's it. That's a. Oh, never mind. I mined 4 iron and I didn't even realize. See? Speed. Okay, let's hurry up. Hurry up. Go in there. You go in there. Wow, my sensitivity is bad. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, yes, cave. Okay, please give me lava. I'm gonna need buckets though. I just need 6 iron and then I'm done for. I'm done with my work. Gold, are you serious?
I wasn't even going for like all the iron bits I found. I was just like,
You're gonna need buckets if you're not using your diamond pickaxe. Wait, I should have just used my diamond.
okay, I accidentally made some granite walls. Who cares?
Okay, you're on surface. If I find lava before you, that's gonna be a win for me, I guess. Okay, hurry up, Ian. Hurry up. I don't have time. Hurry up. Oh, when you're speed running and it's live, the thing is just different. It just feels absurd. Oh, and I got 6 iron, which is perfect for 2 buckets. My luck. So now we need to find a lava pool. Buckets.
Okay, another bucket.
I also want to keep some blocks in our
I
inventory.
mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with this 3 iron, so I'll use that up later.
Let's just make torches. Please give me lava.
Crap! Well, this is very bad. I mean,
Oh shoot, I don't have water. I need to get water. I wish this was a diamond speedrunner.
you can make a diamond something.
Yeah, if I meet you in the nether, if I make a diamond sword, I can kill you.
Yeah, you
Or should I just
can.
make a diamond hoe? The most useful block in existence.
So
I
useful.
mean, 2. Water.
No! He's ahead, guys! This sucks.
Okay, all I have to do is not consume my water accidentally by the lava. Which is a difficult thing. I mean, that happens sometimes.
Wait, is it still peaceful?
Yes, it's the difficulty is gonna be peaceful. That's what we decided.
Okay, good.
What? How did I catch fire? I was over here. Wow.
Good job, game. Keep doing your weird glitches.
Well, it is 1.16 and it is recommended that. I mean, it is said that it will be glitchy. But this.
Alright, guys, and June 23rd.
Okay, let's just do this.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. We need one key component which Mr. Gaming. Oh, crap. I'm gonna need an iron.
What is the key component I forgot? Oops. You're not. You're just gonna have to mine this. That was a bad move, but sure.
Oh yeah, wait. We have efficiency 5 pickaxes. Almost forgot about that.
Whoa, that was fast. No.
Yes!
Okay.
How are you even alive right now?
Oh my god. Oh, okay. Bro. Oh, flip. I forgot about flint and steel.
That's the key component.
I can get. Oh, shoot. I don't have iron. I'm gonna have to hurry up then.
I know, even I have to.
That was stupid. jumping like that.
Why is there no stupid gravel over here? The cursed shore. I mean, is it logical to check this place out?
Okay, let's just get 10 obsidian and get out of here. That's 6. I'm literally shaking right now because of my near-death experience. I don't know. If I didn't have that water bucket on me, I'd be dead. How did I survive? How? I'm in shock. Are you serious? When I need iron, there's gold lying around. I hear you killing an iron golem. You found a village, didn't you?
No.
Yes, you did. It's obvious now.
These things are not called villages. They're called
Okay.
poop
Give me
faces.
flint. Give me flint.
No! You found gravel.
Wait, do I already have?
Well, technically,
I already had flint.
what a noob.
I just need 1 iron.
Okay, I hope I come across a lava pool.
I shouldn't have wasted my iron. Yes, iron.
Another village? Is this a joke? I'm not on the hunt for villages. Oh yeah, guys, during ideas for a video, we were thinking of doing a speedrun to find a village, but that was just too boring, so.
If it was speedrun to find diamonds, I'd be winning right now.
Duh. We find...
Okay. Now we can go to the nether. That's no question.
Okay.
Perfect.
No, I only have 2 obsidian. I mean, I found a blacksmith dude who has obsidian in his chest. What a legend, dude.
Okay, here we go in the nether. Okay, let's go.
Give him a trash spawn. Give him a trash spawn.
It's just the normal nether.
I mean, I don't know.
Oh, never mind. There's gold over here. There's gold over here. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah. Anything else in this?
Wow.
Okay, I think this is a double village. Because you can't just find 2 blacksmith buildings.
Of course. There's lava down there. There's a dead end.
Hey, diamonds.
Even I got diamonds.
Oh wait, I don't need this junk. Wait, okay, whoa, no. What? Oh my god, stupid water logging rules.
Okay, now we need to be careful because if we die in lava, we're goners. Like, we're never gonna come back.
Hey, do you have any armor?
No. I'm better in PvP, so I don't really care.
That is true.
Okay, there's 2 blocks over there.
Be free, cow. Oh, we can fit do that.
Okay. Yeah, found a bottom hard rock surface without lava. Nice. Okay, don't tell me there's lava under there.
On the hunt for gravel.
So let's keep going. Okay, so netherite is found on around near
Netherite is found on nowhere.
I mean, ancient debris is found. So it's not a netherite ingot. It's just that's challenge over.
Is this a joke?
Or do you wanna make it to first 2
Netherite ingot.
Is this a joke? There's 3 right here.
And you know, speaking of 3, this is my 3rd village that I'm heading over to.
You should probably head to the nether now.
Yeah, we both know that's not gonna happen right now. Okay, do desert villages have blacksmiths? I hope so.
Yeah, so I think all villages do have blacksmith.
Either way, I hope they have flint and steel.
Wow, this is just as smooth as what can I say?
Any flint? Nope.
Oh yeah, what happens if your pickaxe breaks? I guess you get a new one. That's fair enough.
Why? Wait, is your pickaxe about to break?
Never mind. Fourth ancient debris secured.
Okay, what is...
I legit didn't have any wood on me. I wouldn't have been able to make a crafting. Oh yeah, I need this crafting table like anything. We don't have a furnace. Okay, just gonna do this. Yeet. Who cares?
What is this? This is not supposed to be a fashion show.
Oh flip! I just forgot about one big element here. The gold.
Oh, and I remember in the start you're like, oh my god, so much
I don't have
gold."
fuel.
You're screwed! Oh yeah, you're gonna have to hope that you save the coordinates to your nether portal.
Or I'll just kill myself. You know, keep inventories on, right?
Oh,
That
yeah.
was your suggestion. Gold, 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 gold. There's gold over here. Okay. How much do we need? 4 ingots. How much is that supposed to be?
Is that gravel? Oh yeah.
How much? Do you even have enough obsidian now?
No, I have like
Okay, 4
5.
ingots. So 4 by 9, 36. Oh, we already have enough. Yep, we got. Now we need to die.
Okay,
We need
what is
fuel.
this?
Wait, we do have a bucket. Yes, lava buckets are fuels.
No!
Wow, my knowledge has actually come in handy today.
Wait, why do you even need a lava bucket?
Lava buckets are fuel. I need furnace to smelt my ancient debris, scrap or whatever it's. I forgot.
And here I am, not even in the nether yet.
I guess we might do a round 2. of
Yeah, we're
something-
gonna need
another
to.
object. I mean, this was too easy for me. I mean, I was playing good. 4.
Bedrock, is this a joke?
2 scraps. I'm just gonna do this because why not?
It's as good as over. I mean, you still need your 4 ingots though.
4 ingots of what?
Gold.
Already got it. There's gold in the nether. Thank you, Mojang, for
Stupid
keeping gold
nether
over.
update!
Boom! That's it! That's it! 17 minutes 30 seconds. That's the timer. We got it.
No! This sucks.
Yup. For you it does.
Oh well, should I save and quit?
Yeah, yeah. So we'll be back with the next round, guys. Till then, keep watching. I'm just gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Guys, you clearly don't know what's going on. It's a... Dude, you're looking at my coordinates. That's cheating. It's
No,
a
it's
speed
not.
run to find emeralds.
Wait, you were paused the whole time? That's just sad.
I know.
How was there a village right next to a village?
Actually, I had to run a good bit for this thing.
I know, I see it.
Stop helping him! What is this random cobblestone poop?
I'm gonna search for Habels when I get to your village.
I found pumpkins, but...
The heck, where is your village? You can still beat me like easy. You just have to search for hay bales and a farmer and that's it. I see your coordinates. I'm gonna kill you. Now it will make a difference. That's why this chest was useful. Oh yeah. Wheat.
Okay, good thing this guy doesn't trade for loot.
What does he trade for? You know,
Nothing, I killed him.
Human Iron Sword!
Yeah, what did you think? I got here first, sir. I claimed their goodies. Is there even an iron golem in here?
No!
Oh, what about your axe now, eh? What about your axe now, huh?
Luckily, I remember the coordinates. It's just in this direction. I'm gonna come for it.
I know that he's looking at my coordinates. That's obvious.
It's 400, positive 400, and Wait, it's positive 156 and 400.
Dude, stop looking at my stinking coordinates, you cheap little idiot.
You killed me anyways.
Oh yeah, you probably should have turned on keep inventory.
Oh yeah, this should be fair, but nah. I guess this is an easier challenge, so we don't need keep inventory. But this is another close challenge. Like last time, I almost died due to lava.
Last time it wasn't even close. I didn't even get the obsidian.
Well, that's your
Oh, I
fault.
probably shouldn't have killed that beetroot guy.
You killed a beet. What's wrong with you?
If I would have discovered this.
Okay, it's lagging. Not good.
Okay,
Not
what do you
good.
trade? Stupid. Trash. Also trash.
I need to find someone who's useful. Okay, stop
You're not
looking
the
at my
only
screen.
one who can look at others' coordinates. You already know you're gonna have to start to shift. Otherwise, you're gonna.
Okay, stop looking at my coordinates. This is next level cheating.
What did you do? You wouldn't even be at the village without cheating, you pleb. Okay, I've gone in circle for the millionth time. Actually, I don't even want to do this. I'm just gonna go mine or something.
He's not here. Now you're just gonna wait for me to be off my hinges and kill me.
Yeah. Okay, you're not walking here like last. Why are you sleeping? That's dumb. Oh yeah, and you can't even set your spawn point unless it's like daytime.
No, you can't. Look at my screen. It says respawn point set.
Crap.
Okay, we still have chance in this. Even though he might have a better sword, we have beetroots. Beetroot power to the win.
I think I'm just gonna start by smelting up some iron by getting.
What are you gonna do by smelting iron? It's not a normal challenge. It's different. It's an emerald challenge. You're not gonna get emerald ore. What are you? What are you? Okay, I just made him angry, but who cares? Don't go! Okay, stop lagging. I know why you went. You just need 15 coal.
Duh!
I'm gonna have to kill you. I'm sorry.
You do know that just reduces your chances as well, right? You can convert his job by stealing his job block, remember? That's the thing.
Come on!
How is it so hard to find coal?
And I'm lucky. Everyone get up, get up, get up! What are you? Another stupid boy. Why are there all of them? Are you serious?
Okay, do I have any wood? Probably should have grabbed some of that stuff.
Does anyone buy a large phone? I don't think so.
Why would people buy a large
I'm so
phone
mad.
for emeralds?
Villagers are stupid.
That is true. They give away emeralds for
Why
glass.
did you kill that beetroot guy?
So that you wouldn't win, obviously.
That's actually a stupid theory. We need to find the job blocks. Those villagers.
I need to find a cave is what I need. Oh wait, are we in Extreme Hills?
No, we're not.
I mean, it's an extremely hilly region. Might be.
How do you make a composter? I'm just gonna search Yeah. Show me the crafting recipe. Okay, if I turn this off. Why doesn't?
Cave. What do you have for me?
Why is it not showing the crafting recipe?
Is the ore spawn rigged or something?
Is the crafting rigged or something?
I mean, I'm just gonna ignore that iron.
I need to do something. I can't keep sitting here. I can't do anything with spruce saplings.
Or can you?
No, I can't. Why would I want to grow trees? Like, let's be honest.
Maybe there's someone called a gardener. Even though I doubt that's a thing in Minecraft.
That's not something for gardeners. I'm just gonna break this. Oh, that's glitched out. Look at this. That's illegal.
That's illegal. Or is it just an eagle?
Nice joke.
I know.
Not sarcasm.
I also know. Okay.
How? I beat you up like a billion times.
And I have armor. And I have a sword. What do you expect?
Grindstone. There's a grindstone. There must be something else in here. I don't want horse armor.
Unless someone paid for it.
Okay, I think I should have started mining for coal long time ago. Do you have the coal?
Nope.
Wait, you do have the coal. You
Yeah.
obviously have the coal. No! I'm gonna have to beat that villager up.
I'm not a villager, you pleb.
Give me that coal!
Do you really think I'm gonna lose in PvP to you like right now?
Ah!
Okay. Major setbacks on his side. Why does no one live here?
Okay, hurry up. Come on! No! No! I will kill you! I will kill your villagers!
Okay, go ahead, do that. You know that was just a death trap for you, right?
You know, I'm just gonna keep respawning, but it's impossible to kill you, it's peaceful. Jeez! It wasn't peaceful.
Is that a composter? Oh no, you're winning! In a random dimension that doesn't exist.
How? I beat you up so many times. Like,
Hello! For the millionth time, I have armor.
I'm just gonna keep attacking you until your armor breaks. Break armor! Break armor!
Okay, wow, why can't I even...
That's because I'm spamming attack. I mean, you can't spam it, but... Where are you? Yeah, you can run. But you can't hide. No! No! No!
But I can reset you.
No!
Pleb.
I should have known you were going for my bed. Man, I had gotten some obsidian. I could stop covering his screen. I know it's 156 and 400 now. I mean, everyone knows that. Okay, don't find him before it. Don't find him.
You already know I found him.
No! Don't do it!
And just like that, this challenge is mine.
Shoot, it's 1 point each. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and this is all for today. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.